Hello guys, my name is Gigbino. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're actually new to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to like this video and comment on this video. So in this video today, we are going to be talking about how to make money using your WhatsApp status. So, hey, all links mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Okay, welcome back. So in this video, I told you I'm going to teaching you how to make money using your WhatsApp status. So as you can see, I'm on WhatsApp official website. As you can see, WhatsApp official website. Okay, so if you actually need to WhatsApp or you don't know anything about WhatsApp, don't forget to download WhatsApp on your Android phone, iOS or Mac, and depending on the device you're using. But I think for now, only Android and iOS can make use of the WhatsApp status, like uploading status. But you know, on the PC version you can't upload status yet. Okay, but I don't know, but I think they're still bringing that feature later on. Okay, so for this video, just make sure you have your Android phone on your iOS. Okay, so as you can see, this is just the WhatsApp official website. So one thing you need to know is, even though you have the normal WhatsApp, yes, you can make use of the normal WhatsApp, but for me, it's advisable for you to make use of the WhatsApp business app. You said WhatsApp business app is actually much more different from the normal WhatsApp. You know, WhatsApp business have more features and offer more features than the normal WhatsApp. Normal WhatsApp is just for personal use, where you can, you know, chat with your regular friends, customers, and your regular friends. But WhatsApp business, it's actually much more different. WhatsApp business offers you categories where you can put your products and services and also connect with your customers using automated tool. You can set quick response message to your customers, whereby when you're not online and where your data is on, it replies the customer. Like when someone is trying to buy something from you and the person say, hey, please, do you have this in your store? And you'll be like, yeah, check back later. So those are automated responses on WhatsApp business. And you also get different features on WhatsApp business too, but when you check it out later. So as you can see here, this is just the WhatsApp business on Google Play. If you don't know how to install this WhatsApp business, please just go to your Android phone Play Store, then search for WhatsApp business. You're going to see this. Okay, I don't know why it's somehow blurred, but let me reload the page. So don't forget to install WhatsApp business. Once you install WhatsApp business, you can see this WhatsApp business is just for you to be able to create. You can see you can create profile for your business, quick replies, and lots more. So once you install this WhatsApp business, then you can enjoy all these features, not just only these features. Why am I saying this? Because one thing you need to know with WhatsApp business is you really need this quick reply. You really need the feature in order for you to make sales on WhatsApp business and to make sure your business is legit and other things. Okay, on WhatsApp business too, you can also add things like your website, location, and contact information. But on the normal WhatsApp, you can't do most of these things. Okay, so how do you get started to make money in your WhatsApp status? Okay, first of all, please, I want you to know that this video is actually legit. I'm not in partnership with any of these mentioned apps. Okay, I'm just only showing you a way to make money from WhatsApp. Okay, so let's go. So this is Druve. Druve is the first app. Druve is actually launched, and I think it's in Nigeria. It's in Nigeria presently. Nigeria. Okay, and we also have WhatsAd. This one is currently I think this one is present in maybe Ghana, or yeah, I think Ghana is working well in Ghana. So for this Druve, so I think I've cleared this WhatsApp status for you to make money in Nigeria, and also for you to be able to make money in Ghana using Druve for Nigeria, using WhatsApp ad for Ghana. Okay, so what is Druve all about? Let me open this small brief note I have about Druve. So Druve offers you these categories, like two categories of people. Well, what is the first category all about? First category is for businesses, and for businesses who are just trying to make sales on their platform. I mean trying to make sales for their business. Then the second category is the one you want. The guy is earning money by posting contents on your WhatsApp status. Yeah, boom, WhatsApp status. So now for Drive, same thing. All this I mentioned about Drive applies to WhatsAd. The both of them are offering the same thing, but only just that they're just having different name. Okay, yeah. So how do you create account on this Drive? First, don't forget, install Drive on your phone. Install Drive on your phone. Install Drive, and also go here, install WhatsApp on your phone too. So once you have these two apps installed, don't forget to create your account. And once you create your account, then you see this home page. You see this Crowdvest homepage. You can see family adverts. Then you can see in this screenshot you're seeing there, you see this home button, you see this manage ads, you see this create ads, see balance, you see profile. Okay, so once it's time for you to promote any of the adverts, you just have to click the adverts you want to promote. Once you click on it, then you see something like this. Yeah, the user should be okay. Yeah, so you see something like, yeah, since I'm the one trying to promote these ads, I want to make this amount of money. Once I post this link on my WhatsApp status, I get $200. Well, this is not actually just $200, but 200 naira. Yeah, but this, because this is just UI design, so they just add dollars in it, but it's naira. Yeah, 200 naira. Then also post image and earn. When you post image, you also earn 200 naira. The same. Well, but I think using image is actually much more better because of the graphics. So if you come here, you also see preview of adverts. If you are going for option 1, you want to post adverts or create adverts, don't forget this is the kind of things you're going to see. Select your audience, select duration, select budget. Okay, so once you've done that, they will display your ads on this home. So once they display your ads here, then the person that is trying to make money through Drive is going to pick up your ads and go advertise it on WhatsApp ads. Okay, so once the person posts it on WhatsApp ads, boom, they pay the person the money instantly to the person's account. So let's go back to this note. Okay, as you can see, you earn for every advert you post on WhatsApp status for Drive from the Drive app, as long as you get at least 42 views on each status. So just imagine you promote close to 10 ads on your WhatsApp status. Boom, you're making money. You don't give a fuck about anybody, but you're but you're making your money. Okay, so once you have 42 views on your WhatsApp status, you get 200 naira. Yes, 200 naira. But what do you think? What about when you have maybe close to 100 views? How much do you make? I think the money might increase, but I don't know about that yet. But I think the money might increase. The payment is made to your registered bank account based on your view grade. All ads on Drive comes as image and link. Like I said, all the ads on Drive comes as image and link. So either you post the image or you post the link. You'll be paid for posting the image and the link. So you can see, I think they'll pay you when you post the image and when you also post the link. So both of them. So okay, so I'll just scroll down to this section. Okay, the Drive app allows you to filter ads on wide range. That means you can select as, let me say I don't like the family advert. I want to select something like something on technology. I want to maybe advertise a technology firm. I can just filter and make use of the advert filter. Then boom, same thing applies to location. Request feature. This feature allows you to withdraw a minimum of 4,000 naira to your bank account, which means you can only withdraw minimum of 4,000 naira to your bank account. Boom, it's lovely. Yeah, what am I doing in WhatsApp daily without knowing if I'm making money? So I think this is good. It's a good idea. Fund app wallet. As promoter, you can pay for your ad promotion by funding your wallet, or you can fund your wallet just for you to advertise, play to adverts on on Drive. Okay, with that being said, I think I've pointed out everything about Drive. So yeah, let's come back to WhatsApp. Same thing applies to WhatsApp. download the app, create account, login, and get started. As you can see, like I said, WhatsAd, it's actually good for those in Ghana. As you can see, Ghana, you see signified here, Ghana. You can see GHS, that's Ghana currency. So how did I withdraw my earned money when I share ads? You withdraw your earned money when you share ads on when you share ads on your WhatsApp status. They allow you share $2. $2 in Nigeria is equivalent to, I think, close to 400 naira. But as you can see, same thing applies to Druve. You can withdraw a minimum of 400 naira here. Boom. So as you can see, they are just offering the same services but different name, the same services. Okay, so I think I've pointed out all this. I think I've pointed out everything you need to know about WhatsAd and Druve. So one last thing before I end this video. Don't forget, you can also go advertise other products. What do I mean by other products? You can go to Jumia. You can sign up as a Jumia affiliate marketer, and advertise Jumia products on your WhatsApp. When they buy that product, you make your money. Okay, you can also make money from Jumia affiliate. Like I said, I make money from Jumia affiliate also, and it's really a great idea if you also sign up for Jumia affiliate. There are a lot of affiliate programs out there. You can sign up and advertise these links and images on your WhatsApp status and still make money. Apart from that, you can also open a WhatsApp TV. Well, this is actually another thing that I find people in Nigeria are doing mostly. WhatsApp TV. Boom, you just create a WhatsApp TV, upload tons of videos, upload tons of codes, upload hookups and lots more. But why are they doing this? They are doing this to get more contacts, not just only more contacts. Just imagine when I get more contacts. Yes, boom, this is why WhatsApp business is actually important. Once I have these contacts, I can actually advertise to them. Like I can broadcast to them. Maybe any business wants to advertise, they can come to me, and when they come to me, yes, I just tell them, yes, you pay this amount of money. Maybe you pay 5,000 monthly. So and that monthly, at least your ads will come up on my status, or I will broadcast to my contacts for maybe close to I can say 10 days in the month. I think it's not that much. 10 days in the month, or 5 days in the month, depending on how you want to set your means of advertising. So as you can see, that's all you need to know about WhatsApp status, how to make money from WhatsApp status. Please don't forget, if you're actually new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Don't forget to comment on this video if you're having any issue. Don't forget to comment on this video if you have an issue. Please don't forget to tell your friends, share this video with your friends, hit the share button, share this video with your friends, so I can get more members coming to sign up for my YouTube channel. So when they come to sign up my YouTube channel, very soon I'll be doing a giveaway. Like I said in my YouTube intro, I'll be giving a giveaway. So don't forget, keep on watching my videos on my YouTube channel. I got a lot of stuff coming soon. Don't forget, stay tuned for more videos. See you.